Alright, check that out. That little handy little button mechanism thing there lets you change between instruments without that crackle that can blow speaker cones. Check them out online. Give them a call. This is 20 Foot of Love. They'll make whatever length you want. They also make patch cables for your pedal board. They make mic cables, and they're made here in the US of A. And soldered. Lead solder, it's the best. That's what they're doing right now. And these cables sound awesome. We talked about this mechanism. Right there is the button. In and out of the guitars nicely. There is no buzz. If that mechanism was pushed in like a normal cable, really bad. You shouldn't even do. I shouldn't even do that. But I did. Just to show the love I have for this cable company for doing such a good job in making it in America. So now, one reason you would want that is in a live performance, you're out of tune. Grab another guitar. You don't got to turn the standby off on the amp. You just plug it in. You don't got to worry about the crackle. That's what you got a guitar tech for. Another thing is looping. I do looping, so this is going to be great for doing looping. I'm not going to have to worry about putting it on the mute mode. I can just grab an instrument. So let's check it out. Let's do a loop here. Action. What do you think about premium audio cables? They're awesome, aren't they? I hear you. Get some.